Let's dig a little deeper into today's auto sales numbers. Let's do that with Jessica Caldwell. She's Director of Industry Analysis over at Edmunds.com. That's, of course, the automotive website. Earlier in her career, by the way, she worked in product planning for Subaru and product strategy at Mitsubishi. We like to do that, Jessica, because that means you really know cars. So good to have you back with us. Hey, walk us through the numbers today, because they look pretty upbeat, yet they did miss a lot of analyst estimates. What's your take on what we got from the auto guys?
Yeah, I mean, overall, the numbers look really good. I mean, anything compared to 2009 is going to look great, so we shouldn't get too excited about the year-over-year numbers. But again, they look pretty consistent with what we saw in October. We knew October was a good month. So if we can stay above that 12 million unit annualized basis, I think we're in good shape, and it's a good way to start off 2011.
It's not fantastic, though, is it? I mean, it's sort of getting back to where we need to be, but not. The angels aren't coming out with the French horns and the clouds haven't cleared. I mean, it's still tough.
Right, Matt. I mean, a great month would be a 16 million annualized month. That would be great. We're going to be at about 12.2 this month, so still a long way to go. No angels yet.
How much of it is seasonal? I mean, people buying SUVs would make sense as the snow starts coming down. We get into the winter. You want a truck rather than a convertible 911 when you're in November, December. Is that part of it?
Yeah, the seasonality is a big factor in it. That's actually calculated when you actually look at the SAR. So there is an adjustment factor, knowing that trucks and SUVs will be more popular in November. But I think with gas prices stabilized and a lot of pent-up demand for SUVs and trucks, because we've been told that we need to downsize for so long, it's inevitable. They were going to swing back, and now we're seeing some good products in those segments and a big variety of products in those segments. So I think that helps drive consumer interest.
Jessica, what do you make of the leasing? We're seeing more leasing. Leasing was about 11% of GM sales alone. What about that trend?
Right. Yeah, leasing is making a comeback. Back in the fall of 2008, that market totally went away. It's a bit cyclical, but we're seeing a lot more deals, especially Honda. Honda had some great deals in November in regards to leasing, as did Toyota, and luxury too. So we're seeing a return, and really it's the domestics that I think are trying to get back into leasing with some of their more premium brands like Buick, like Cadillac, like Lincoln. We're seeing some of that returning, which they need to be competitive.
What about what you guys are seeing in terms of shopping activity on your own site? I mean, are you seeing more interest and actual buying by consumers?
Yeah, we are. We saw a big increase in November. We saw an increase in things like purchasing guides, so people trying to research what they should buy, what's right for them. We saw an increase in incentives, so people looking to see if the deal was out there. So we feel as if there's a lot of people ready to put their finger on the trigger and make that purchase. So it could be a great December, and hopefully, more importantly, will be a good Q1 of 2011.
All right, we'll keep an eye on it. Jessica Caldwell of Edmunds.com. Thanks so much.